बैक भारतदास ट्यूटोरियल यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज का जो टॉपिक है क्लास 11 साइंस फिजिक्स। डिस्कस द टॉपिक फोर्सेस इन नेचर। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द फोर्स? फोर्स, इफ ए बॉडी, ए ब्लॉक place on the surface of earth, then push या pull of the body means move a body or stop a moving body या deform a body या break the body is called force. Basically force क्या है? pull और push of a body या any body जो move कर रही है उस बॉडी को स्टॉप करना, या कोई बॉडी मूव कर रही है उसको स्टॉप करना, या कोई बॉडी स्टॉप है उसको मूव करना क्या कहलाता है? फोर्स कहलाता है। बेसिकली फोर्स, फंडामेंटल फोर्स इन नेचर, देयर आर 4 फंडामेंटल फोर्स इन नेचर। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिस्कस बाय ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स। What is the gravitational force? This is the force of mutual attractions between any two objects by virtue of their masses. कि दो ऑब्जेक्ट हैं, उन दो ऑब्जेक्ट के मासेस के गुणों के कारण जो अट्रैक्शन पैदा होता है उसे क्या कहते हैं? ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स कहते हैं। द फॉर्मूला ऑफ द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स F इक्वल टू G m1 m2 upon r square, where G is the universal constant. Its value is 6.67 into 10 की पावर -11 न्यूटन meter square per kilogram square. The basic properties of the gravitational force. First of all properties, gravitational force is always universal attractive force. It is weakest force in the nature. It obeys the inverse square law, and it is also central force. The main properties of the gravitational force, the field particles या exchange particle between the two bodies is called gravitons. Next, weak nuclear force. Next point है weak nuclear force. This is the force of interactions between any particles for the short lifetime is called weak nuclear force. The properties of the weak nuclear force. The weak nuclear forces is also 10 की power 25 times the stronger than the gravitational force. Means ये 10 की power 25 times stronger होता है. This is the gravitational force. And the forces exist between the leptons and mesons. These leptons and mesons are the elementary particles, because you have studied the leptons and mesons in the atomic nuclear physics in the 8th unit of the 12th classes. Next, electromagnetic force. The electromagnetic force, this forces also arise between the charged particle. If the charged particle is also at rest, it is so the electrostatic force, but the charged particle is also moving is called magnetic force. The forces arise between the two charged particles is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon r square. q1 q2 are the two charged bodies are the distance. The properties of the electromagnetic forces also may be attractive and repulsive between the like charges and unlike charges, and it is also obey inverse square law. It is also central forces, and its power is 10 की power 30 times stronger than the gravitational force. It means the field particle of the electromagnetic force is also photon, because photon has no charge and rest mass is also 0. Next, last point is strong nuclear forces. But the strong nuclear forces, this is related to the nucleus. It means they bind the neutron and proton together in a nucleus. कि न्यूक्लियस है, कोई भी न्यूक्लियस है, उस न्यूक्लियस के अंदर जो न्यूट्रॉन प्लस प्रोटॉन है इनको बाइंड करना क्या कहलाता है? स्ट्रॉन्ग न्यूक्लियर फोर्स कहलाता है. दिस इज द मेन प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्ग न्यूक्लियर फोर्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, दिस force is also strongest force in the nature. It is very strongest force in the nature, but it is does not obey the inverse square law. And its value is 10 की power 38 times stronger than the gravitational force. 10 की power 38 times greater than the gravitational force, and this is also called non-central force, and this is also called non-conservative force. The field particles of the strong nuclear force also exchange of the electrons or protons between the two bodies is called strong nuclear force. So basically there are 5 topics of this 11th class, forces in nature. So it means the main conclusion of the topic force in nature. It means the pull or push of a body. You have the force already studied in the daily life, pull and push of a body. Example as when we open the door of a home, you close the door of a home, you open the window of the home, your room is also called forces. Next, thank you for watching this video and please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And now next class is 12th class.